What the heck? Grabe. We have a very hardworking girl. Kung sports lang ang landian, varsity ka dyan, te. Hey guys, welcome back to another reaction video. Short update guys. Short update for my short hair. I just had a haircut and yeah, this is my first haircut or short hairstyle after so many years because I got my last short hairstyle when I was in elementary. Some of my friends says that my hair is cute right now and I'm so flattered right now. So, anyway, we're going to react to my old Facebook post, the the mean post or the Jeje post or the funny ones because I've chosen the some of the funniest posts talaga. So just a reminder guys, para dun sa mga magsasabing bakit nag-English na siya sa vlogs niya, ganyan, ang arte naman. Because I have like non-philo subscribers, so I need to like have a short adjustment with my language when it comes to my vlogs. So yeah, I hope you'll understand guys. So ito na, wag na nating palagpasin. We should react to my post right now. So let's get started. For the first one, ate, pabili po ang kape. Yung matapang, opo, yung kaya akong paglaban. Wow, this was 10 years ago. So just to give the context, it's like a conversation between me and the, for example, seller of the coffee because I'm asking if they have coffee that has that is strong, something like that. It's like comparing a person to a coffee because if it's matapang in Tagalog, you know he or she can fight for you. So yeah, there's like a comparison in this funny post but I'm feeling annoyed when I read this today. Okay, so for the next old post, kahapon talaga yung grades ko lang ang nagpakilig sa akin. Hihi, thank you Lord. Hashtag achievement, hashtag third grading. So these posts, as you can see the timestamp, I mean the date, February 15. So it says kahapon. So yesterday is February 14. So it's Valentine's Day, obviously. So I've said that my grades are the only ones that that gave me the kilig feeling or the happy feeling related to being in love. So yeah, ano kayang grades ko dito, no? I'm wondering, this is grade 9 when I was in grade 9. I didn't know already if I really had high grades here. Feelingera. So yan, may ano pa, feeling blessed. Yeah. Cringe! Charot. So for the next one, fresh from exam, one more day na lang para matapos lahat ng subjects. Thank you God. May really fresh after the exam because exams really take all my brain cells. What the heck? So punta na tayo sa third one. Ang ginaw with 3 exclamation points. Sana pala hindi na lang ako nag-SM joke. So for those people who don't know SM, for my international subscribers, as I've said, I'll adjust at some point. So I'll explain. SM is a mall, yon. So obviously it's called. Sana pala hindi na lang ako nag-SM. Ba't ka pumunta sis? Why did you decide to go there if you're feeling cold. Okay, next. Ang arte ko ha. So, so many complaints. Next, malapit na matapos ang homeworks ko. Ang sakit ng kamay ko. Wow, we have a very hardworking girl. Ang sakit ng kamay. So, I probably had like long list of homeworks and I've written all my answers probably. Okay, next. Oh my god, this is one of the funniest old posts that I've seen. Accepting, supporting, challenging, and the other one is offering. So it's like, you know, the gerunds. They all have ing in the last part of their word. I was really laughing when I saw this because bakit pinaghiwalay mo pa sa dalawang post yung mga salita kung pwede mo nang pagsamahin. But I forgot the context already. But I was grade 7 here because October 30, 2012. Nakakatawa gagi. Queen of the runs. Okay, next. Nominated si Yves, Myrtle, Karen, and Ryan. Oh my god. This is PBB. So for other people who don't know the context, these people are from Pinoy Big Brother. So it's a reality show here in the Philippines. So this was few years ago pa. So they're from different batch. Oh my god. So nominated sila and cuz they have like evictions per episode, I think. But I'm not watching PBB anymore. I love the old batches. I really love the old batches and they hit different eh. So ayun, I'm not watching the current batches anymore. But I've enjoyed the old ones. Oh my god, updated sa PBB before ha. Okay guys, pumunta na tayo sa next one. Okay. Guys, i-like nyo po this and please watch. So, as you can see, there's a link of High School Musical 3. Can I have this dance? So, super favorite ko to nung elementary ako. Oh my God. Very, naman ako dito. Very taga-utos na i-like. Diba? Para magkaroon ng streams yung kanta sa YouTube. I love High School Musical before and this was one of my favorite HSM songs. Please watch. Tapos pinapalike pa, no? Grabe talaga. 14 years ago pa to. Okay, next na tayo, guys. Oh my God. Very maldita. Epal ka talaga kahit kailan. Oh, capital pa yon. So, 2012, hindi ko kilala kung sino yung kaaway ko dito or meron ba akong kaaway talaga. Oh my God. Napakamaldita ko naman dito. Epal ka talaga kahit kailan. The word epal could have different context, guys. It's like for example it's like for example a person can't stop giving opinions to your life, something like that. Or it's like there's a situation where this person is not included in the conversation, something like that. So yeah, that's epal, but it could have different context though. Meron ba talaga akong kaaway dito? Ay, hindi ko alam. Okay, next. What? Tall, dark, handsome, talented, intelligent. Girl, who are you referring to? Maybe I'm describing my ideal guy before in this post because when I was younger I have this mentality that my type is something the TDH the tall, dark, and handsome. So I've included the personality like talented and intelligent. And as you can notice the eyes have the letter I have are in small caps. Why do I type like that? Next na tayo. Pang ilan na ba to? I think pang 11 na to. Another mean post. Kung sports lang ang landian, varsity ka dyan, te. Or just to explain, it's like, at the end it's flirting. So if uh, flirting was a sport, you will be a varsity already. So it's like you're an expert already. Oh my God. Parang lagi ako may kaaway sa post ko before ah. Ano ba? 2012 was very ano ako dito. Very brave mag-post. Kung sports lang ang landian, varsity ka na dyan. Grabe, ang dami ko naman nakakaaway. Ano ba yan? Nakakaloka. Charot lang. I just love vending out sa Facebook nun. Okay, next. Yung tinta ng pilot ballpen ko ubos na, XD. Oh my God, XD was a famous reaction or emoticon before, no? So, grabe naman. Nakapag-pilot ballpen pa ako before. That was expensive, ha? But, yeah, siguro, nakakapanghinayang nga naman gumastos. I mean, nakakapanghinayang nga naman kapag ubos na yung pilot ballpen mo. Kasi, syempre, mahal. Tapos, 'di ba, mauubos na agad. Pa-ex, 'di ba ako dyan, nakakatawa. Okay, next. Cute ang mga nag-online today with many dots. Ha ha ha. With smiley. Girl, so this is me again. Very very tator. So, is it the basis of cuteness if you're active or online today? Ang dami ko pang dots before, ha. My God. Again, this is 2012. Ay, iba yung nangyari nung 2012, ha. Sabi yung digital footprint ko. Okay, next post. Is fresh like doggy na. So, kaya siya nagsimula sa is kasi parang before, like for example, you can read post as, Jam Marciano is fresh like doggy na. Oh my God. I think, fresh like doggy fresh like doggy has, like, a different meaning before, but I'm comparing it, or I'm using it, using the context of, like, fresh from the bat, something like that. Oh my God. Sorry. I have like different thought process before. Fresh like doggy. Cringe. Okay, next. Wag na ngang i-chat kung ayaw. 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 AYW. So, walang A yung kasunod sa Y. Wag na ngang i-chat kung ayaw. Sino na naman? Kanina may kaaway, tapos ngayon nagdadrama naman. Huwag na nga i-chat kung ayaw. So, 'di ba, parang no response is still a response. Huy! Ngayon, ang lungkot. Huwag mo na yung i-chat, girl, kung ayaw. Okay, next post. Ano to? Napaka-mema kasi punctuation lang yung post ko. Magkalayo pala sila ng dates, pero ewan ko bakit ganyan yung mga status ko before. Confused or talagang bored lang? Exclamation point tapos question mark. Anong problema mo, te? So yeah, this is so random. I don't know. Maybe I'm just bored during these days. Okay, next. Our godly queen. God first with 3 checks pa, ha. Sobrang hindi ko mag-post ng mga parang related kay God nung bata pa ako. Sorry po, Lord, for including you in my post. Kabinayan ako. So, this was 12 years ago. So, ang dami ko na pinagdaanan from mean post to like dramatic post to godly, very religious. Next. Sino ang mas torpe, babae o lalaki? Pasagot, liligo lang. XD. Talaga namang akala mo may sasagot, no? So, torpe is like that personality where a person can't easily express his or her true feelings, no? So, I don't know bakit may pa-survey ako dito, no? Tinatanong ko talaga kung sinong mas torpe. So, nag-utos pa, pasagot, liligo lang. Kala mo talaga may sumagot nung matapos maligo. So, this is really funny. Kanina pa ako nag-uutos, ha? Na mag-reply sila sa post ko, tapos wala naman nag-reply. Parang ginawa ko ng Twitter yung Facebook. Okay, next. I think konti na lang guys yung mga natitirang pagre-reactan ko. Ang bagal ng net sa CP. So, yan, yung typings ko ng sa, S lang. Laging kulang yung letters, no? Tapos, ang dami ko nagbat. Galit na galit ako sa keypad ko siguro nito. Ang dami kong typings ng tuldok. Okay, guys, so let's proceed to the next post. Joy means Jesus, others, yourself. So, talagang gumawa pa ako ng acrostic ha, para lang bigyan ng meaning yung joy. The only joy I know now is Joy from Red Velvet because I look like her. Huy! Ano ba to? Nakakatawa naman. Joy means Jesus, others, yourself. Oh my God, this is not me. I don't claim this energy. So, it's kind of funny lang. Like, few years ago, I find this really funny. But right now, I'm feeling, embarrassed. But yeah, those were the days. I'm just a kid. I'm just a young Facebook user utilizing my internet, posting random stuff that crosses my mind. Meron pa yan tayong natitirang mga nakakatawang post. So, proceed na tayo ulit sa next. Another mean post ha. Ang makeup ay pampaganda ng mukha. Bakit di mo kayang subukan kainin yung makeup para gumanda ang ugali mo? Oh my God. Ay, nako. Kumakati na yung mata ko. Kakabasa ng mga old posts ko. God, this is so brave of me. In English, makeup is expected to enhance your face, to make it look better, to make you look prettier. So why don't you try eating the makeup so you will improve or make your attitude better? Oh my God. Super mean. I'm super mean here. Sorry po. If I could only talk to my younger self, I will punch her and tell her to not post stuff like this. Baddies, baddies say something. Scorpio things, charot. Okay, next. Lagi nalang pinupunan ng mga tao yung ilong ko. Ang tangos daw kasi parang hindi naman ay. Wow, girl. I don't know if totoo to ha, o may pupuri talaga sa ilong ko, but I'm kinda, I have low self-esteem when it comes to noses ha. Because I'm very shy with my nose because it's big. Yeah, it looks big when I'm facing the camera. There are people who really complimented my nose. Thank you. But I'm proud of me. Okay, next. Oh my God, another mean post. Sino kaya yung babaeng yon? Ang lande. Pektusan ko yon ha 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 ha. Is it an evil laugh? In English, who's that girl? She's so flirty. Pektusan is like, oh my God, sorry for the word, but it's like, I think pektusan is like, do something wrong to the person and then laugh. So, oh my God, I'm really sorry to the people who read this. But yeah, my younger self is really unstoppable when it comes to posting stuff like this. So I think guys, we're down to our last two cringy posts. So eto na, second to the last. Ang sarap ng pakiramdam ko. Kumakain ako ng Nova, Piatos, Voice, at umiinom ng juice. Tapos pinatugtog yung sa isang sulyap mo. What the hehe. Super inspired. Parang in love si girl habang busog ha. So, Nova, Piatos, and Voice are famous snacks here in the Philippines. Oh my God, I miss eating Voice ha. Parang hindi na ako nakakita ng Voice na biscuit ngayon. So, I love the chocolate flavor. At umiinom ng juice with drinks pa ha. Sa isang sulyap mo is also a famous song before. It's a Tagalog song. So, ano ba yan, girl? in love ka na, busog ka pa. What the? May pag-react pa siya ng what the ha. Hehe, super inspired. Girl, OA. Super OA mo, girl. Okay, yung last one. I think ito yung pinaka-cringe talaga. What the heck? Log out. Highs with many exclamation point and dots and letter Z. Galit na galit ako sa keyboard ha. Again, 2012 na naman to. So, those were the days talaga na talagang masasapak ko na lang yung sarili ko. Siguro, if I'm talking to May 4, 2012 Cham, sasapakin kita girl kasi bakit mo yan pinost. Ilang beses ko na to shinare sa Facebook account ko kasi lumalabas siya sa memories ko. And talaga namang matatawa ka na lang kapag nakikita mo na lumilitaw sa Facebook memories mo. Sabi, log out highs. Samantala ngayon, hindi na ako nag-log out ng Facebook ko sa devices ko. Kasi may sarili na akong device. Yes. So, that's all guys for today for my reaction video. Another cringe reactions from me as I go back to my old post. Thank you so much guys for watching my reaction video again, and I'm hoping to see you all again soon sa comment section. So click like and subscribe guys. Don't forget to leave a comment. Thank you so much guys for watching. Bye bye.